Relationship between simple interest and simple discount. These are the learning outcome for this lesson. The equivalent simple interest rate to simple discount rate. We have present value as W and future value as K. For simple interest case, we have S equal to P1 plus RT for sum. Sum is future value and P is present value. Substitute, we get K equal to W1 plus RT for equation 1. For simple discount rate, we have proceed equal to S times 1 minus dt. Proceed is present value, S is future value. So we have equation 2, W equal to K times 1 minus dt. Then substitute 1 into 2, we get this equation. Simplify, W over W is 1, 1 plus RT times 1 minus dt. And then solve for R. 1 plus RT equal to 1 over 1 minus dt and RT equal to 1 over 1 minus dt minus 1. And then simplify, we get R equal to t over 1 minus dt. This is the equivalent simple interest rate to simple discount rate given as R equal to d over 1 minus dt. Example 1. Find the equivalent value of D when A are equal to 3% per year for 100 days. T is 100 days, so we have T equal to 100 over 360. R equal to D over 1 minus dt. So R is 3% means 0.03 equal to D is what we're looking for. D is 100 days divided by 360. Simplify for D, 0.03. D over 1 minus 5 over 18D, 1 minus 5 over 18D times 0.03 equal to D. So 0.03, 1 over 120D equal to 121. D equal to 0.0298. Change to rate times 100, 2.98%. Second example, find value of D when R equal to 4% per year for 4 months. So R equal to 0.04 and D is 4 over 12. R equal to D over 1 minus dt. R is 0.04 equal to D 1 minus D. D is 4 over 12. 1 minus 4 over 12D times 0.04 equal to D. Then 0.04 over 1 over 75D equal to D. D equal to 0.0395 times 100. So we get 3.95%. And D is rate, so D must be in percent. Therefore, we need to always take 4 decimal places. So rate can be 2 decimal places. Next example, find the equivalent value of D when R equal to 8% per annum for 9 months. So again, R equal to 0.08. D is 9 over 12. We have R equal to D1 minus dt. R equal to 0.08. D is what we're looking for. 1 minus D. D is 9 over 12. 1 minus 9 over 12D times 0.08 equal to D. Simplify, 0.08 minus 3 over 50D equal to D. So 0.08 equal to 53 over 50D. D equal to 0.0755. Change to rate times 100, so we have 7.55%. D, R equal to 10% per annum for a year. So R equal to 0.1, D is 1. R equal to D1 minus dt. R is 0.1. D is what we're looking for. Minus D. D is 1. So 1 minus D times 0.1 equal to D. 0.1 minus 0.1D equal to D. 0.0909 times 100. We get 9.09%. Second example, calculate the amount you must repay for discount loan below and what is the equivalent simple interest for this loan. The proceed is RM 1200 for 6 months at 10%. This is proceed, this is T, this is the discount rate. So we have proceed equal to 1200, T is 6 over 12 and D is 0.1. Amount we must repay is S. S is what we're looking for. And proceed equal to S times 1 minus dt. Substitute the value. Proceed is 1200. S is what we're looking for. 1 minus D is 0.1. D D 6/12 years. Simplify, we get S equal to RM 1,263 ringgit with 60 cents. The equivalent simple interest rate is given as R equal to D over 1 minus DT. D is 10%, 1 minus 0.1, duration is 6/12 years. So we get 0.1053. Change to rate times 100 equal to 10.53%. Last example, Anna would like to borrow money from a bank for 3 years. She is given a choice of discount loan at 5% per annum and a simple interest loan at 5.3% per annum. Which loan would you suggest her to take and state your reason? So we need to compare two different type of loan, discount loan and simple interest loan. To choose a better loan, we have to compare either rate or sum. And for this case, the question did not mention proceed or any principal. Discount loan and simple interest loan is two different types of interest. We have first choice and second choice. First choice is discount loan with D equal to 5%. 0.05, and second choice is simple interest loan, R equal to 5.3%. Since this is two types of rate, so we cannot compare directly. Means we need to compare D with D and R with R. Therefore, we need to find the equivalent simple interest for D or the equivalent simple discount for R, either one. We have R equal to D over 1 minus DT, where D is 0.05, 1 minus D 0.05, T is 3 years, so T equal to 3. R equal to 0.0588 times 100. We have 5.88%. R is 5.3%. So since this is a loan, so we have to choose a lower interest rate. Therefore, Anna should choose simple interest loan at 5.3% per annum because it gives the lower interest rate compared to the discount loan. Remember, if loan, we choose a lower interest. If investment or saving, we choose a higher interest given. These are your exercises. Please submit the exercises at the end of lecture.